Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can insert a record or data in Firestore database. In last video, we have seen real-time database, and here in this video, we are going to learn about Firestore. So it is very simple to do this. We have designed the layout. You see, this is Jetpack Compose. So I'm trying to use Jetpack Compose library for doing all these operations. So layout is already designed, and if you want to see how you can design this layout, please watch real-time database also, and you can see room API or room database also, where I have explained you how you can design this layout, because the same layout I am using in this application also. It's very easy, because if I will give you the designing in each and every video, the length of the video will increase. So it is already designed. You know that how to design Jetpack Compose. If you don't know, please see my previous video also to make designing of this layout. It's a simple one. Once you remember, then it's not difficult to remember. So now we are trying to performing insert operation of Firestore to insert the information like roll number, name and course. So we have this remember variable also, we have check also, we have result also. One by one we will use it, and I will explain you how you can do this. So first of all, we need to insert the Firestore. So just click on Firebase Assistant, and you see that we have here the Firestore. So click here on Firestore. Now click on Kotlin, because we are using Jetpack Compose. Click on add here, connect to the Firestore. So click here and it will ask the password. So we enter the password, a Google account. Now it asking for project. So click on add project, or you can use existing one also, but I am creating the new one. So default account, create here. Now it will take little bit of time for creating a project. Click on continue, then it will ask for connecting. Click on connect, done. Now I open console also, Firebase console, or I can click on this launch in browser here, and then click to go to console. Remember that we have here Firestore. Click on this. Now just to have Firestore database, click on this. Now it is asking to create database, so click on this, create database. Create on test mode, because we are just using for testing purpose only. Then click, we can say enable this one. Now you see database is created. We have now need to create a collection, so we will do from the programming. So this is done here. Now I go to this code, this one, and I click on add to SDK. Click this to add the SDK. So it will insert the SDK in my application. You see the green tick is checked now. That means we are able to make a insert this. Now we need to create object of Firestore. So just copy this, and we can create it here also, because we can access in all the applications. Now just import the library. Good, and we store Firestore also, done. Now we need to add the record, so just copy this for adding purpose, and after this what I need to use, because I'm going to add, so I minimize this. So I go to the insert button. So here I have my button insert, and here I need to make a coding. So first of all I check if s roll number, I think roll number dot is not empty, and s name dot is not empty, and course dot is not empty. That means we do not have a empty field. That's why we are going to insert a record. So all these are state variable. Remember this, these are state variables I declare here, and these state variables are linked with these text fields. Here we have link roll number, as name, the value will come from the text box. Now here I just pasted one by one we will do the coding, but here what I do, I need to press a toast first. So I just use toast dot make text, and here I say context, then I display here that please insert record first, then I say toast dot short duration dot show. So this way I'm able to fire a notification that please insert a record. If user is able to do this, so I need to map this. So my first name I want to do this roll number, and this roll number is this roll number filled. Then I need to this to the name, student name. So I say student name like this, and here I pass as name, and here I say course, and here I just pass course. Remember this. So we have linked these field with this map ID. Here we have DB, so that the DB we require reference of this. We are not able to get this reference because it is insert in a class. So I just cut it and I declare it in this function because I need the object of this. So now we have the object collection. In place of a student user, I need to define students. Then in place of user we have, I can change the name to students here. Remember that we have students, then students we have, then this is a log. So in place of log I want to display this message. That message is record inserted with ID. What is the ID? We have this ID like this, then toast dot make short dot show. So with the help of this ID we have done this. Now here we can display error. So I say that e dot to string, because if we have an error, so we can display error also if record inserted. So record inserted with ID this. So whenever we insert some record in Firestore, generate a ID that is unique one. So this ID will generate. So we are able to do this. I think insert is working now. So I try to execute this application and try to test that it is working. The record will come here, collection will come here on pressing a insert button, and information will be inserted if everything is okay. So we just do this. So we have the application now running mode. So what I do, I just pass here roll number, I say 1. I pass student name, I say Dr. Vipin. Now I need the course, so I say PhD. Now I need press insert. If everything is okay, it will say record inserted, otherwise it won't say. You say record inserted with ID, so ID is also coming, that means record inserted. And if I refresh it, so I will have, you see student is coming, the ID is coming, and the record is also coming. Done. So one thing is done here. We are able to insert a record in Firestore in a very simple way, very easy way. You have seen that. So that's all in this video. In next video we are going to watch that how we can read the record from the Firestore one by one in text field, and how we can show that record in your Jetpack Compose library. So I think you learned something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.